Hey friends, welcome to another Amazon product unboxing. Today we're checking out the Aegend swim goggles. These run about $10 on Amazon, and I'll link them in the description below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you click on those links, it helps out the channel if you buy stuff. Do appreciate the support. So these come in a ton of different colors, and they have over 40,000 reviews on the Aegend store, and all like 5 stars, so that's pretty cool. Kind of shop with confidence, and that's the same thing with Amazon. You know, if you don't like it, you can return it, so it's kind of nice. Okay, so first off, it has a nice little case here, kind of hard plastic. It's got a little hole here for a lanyard. You can throw a string through there. To access your goggles, simply turn this counterclockwise, like lefty-loosey, like a normal screw. That rotates that open, and your goggles are free. All right, has some silica gel in there. Don't eat that. So kind of a cool little case there. It's kind of handy. And here are the goggles. So these are the clear ones with the black straps, and in the back it has this nice little kind of pivoting adjuster thing here. So these, if you want to adjust the length of the straps, it's quick and easy. Simply push this little clip down, and then you can either pull it one way or the other, and that's going to catch right there and hold it firm in place. So same thing with the other side, just push it down and you can pull one way or the other. So that's kind of nice. This is flat on the back there, and it's kind of, as you can see, I mean, it's smooth but kind of contoured, so it's not like perfectly flat, but a little bend to it for the curvature of your head there. And this also rotates a few degrees up and down, so it for maximum comfort there. So let's try these on, shall we? All right, so the comfort is actually, it's nice. You can feel like you can feel it's nice and snug there, but it's not like uncomfortable. It's not hurting me. You can feel the suction though when you, so you know it's getting a good seal there. You can feel the air going on there, so that's cool. In the back, it's nice and comfortable. Sorry about the hair, guys. I wear that helmet. I use this hat too, and it kind of jacks up the hair, but you know, whatever. I just got done swimming, right? So that's that. They're super comfortable. I'm gonna do a fog test on these and see if they get foggy or not. Okay, so I just tried to blow on these, you know, to get some steam on there to fog them up, and they did not fog up. I'm not sure why they can't make my windshield like that, but that's kind of cool. So it does say anti-fog, and it appears to be true. I just tried to get it to fog up and I couldn't. So nice little swim goggles here, guys. I haven't tried them out in the river yet, but I probably will. And if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know. I try to answer every comment that I get, good or bad. So you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next Amazon review.